This time I make a nice lovely video from the mango then. Yeah, that's what Chef Ricardo gonna do right now. Alright. Now I'm in the kitchen right now. I'm not gonna stay too long with you guys today. It's a quick pass through. You know what I mean? I just a stop and pass through to my friend give me 1 box of mango. So Chef Ricardo, you're one of the best chef you see right now on YouTube and you support me a lot. Alright. Now, what we're gonna do, let's jump into this. I'm gonna show you how to make a nice lovely mango juice. Alright. We got some spinach, them I'm gonna wash off earlier. Alright. We got lemon and lime. And we got pineapple. Alright. It's not a normal thing right now with Chef Ricardo. I'm gonna show you what you guys can do at home in your kitchen. Alright. It is meat-free Monday, but don't worry yourself, meat-free Monday video is supposed to upload by now. Soon releasing. Guys, I edit it. So it's soon load. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo. Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking. Just gonna give you guys this an amazing juice today. We got a lemon, which we're gonna also use. Alright. Yeah man. 1 lemon. I have to use some lemon. I'm showing you how to make this an amazing juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. So if you're at home, this is something you wanna do. Put a lemon straight inside of it. So that is fantastic. And I'm not going to stay too long to the on this live. Alright, piece of ginger. Alright, it's going to be one of these kind of drinks we definitely want to make. Jamaica recipe team, thank you so much for your support. Alright, get some ginger and put it straight inside of it. We got spinach, ginger, and lemon. Alright. Now, these are some mango my friend give me. And these mango, you only can get them one place in London. Alright, trust me. This mango is one of the sweetest mango them in the world. Yeah man. You have to eat some mango, you know, man. When they're at Jamaica and the mango them drop off of the tree, trust me. Yeah. You go and you just pick up a mango and I you that. You know what I mean? Yeah. So we got some mango. I'm gonna put some mango straight in it like this. Yeah man. These are some stringy mango though. But them alright, trust me. They're nice. These mango. Really ripe. And nice. Alright, yeah. And they are so beautiful. Island Kitchen, big up yourself, man. Big up the family. All the time. Big up the kitchen. Thank you so much, guys, for coming on the show and really support that. Alright, it's beautiful. We got our fresh Jamaican pineapple. Alright. Yeah, man, pineapple is a must. So what we're gonna do. Alright, yeah. Beautiful one. So I put some pineapple in it like this. That is fantastic and amazing. It's a beautiful one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, yeah. All good Caribbean style, you know. The guys definitely gonna love this one. New brand recipe from Jamaica. Now we got some ripe banana. And trust me, this is one of them dedicated to you. Alright. Now what you want to do, you want to put some water inside of it to free up the blender, alright? Yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put a little bit of honey in it, not much, roughly about a teaspoon of honey. Cause two of the liquid water, you know, kind of dilute it down a little bit. Alright, beautiful. Now what we're gonna do, we're going to put it to the blend. Alright, yeah. Make sure you have it to the blend. Look at that. Alright, now let's blend up this. Lovely and nice. Alright, now let's pull it and take a good look at it. Alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of Jamaican red syrup in it. About a teaspoon. To give it that Jamaican tropical look. So we're gonna blend this now, alright? Oh yes, that sounds good. Sorry about the noise, but you guys definitely gonna love this. Oh, all right, now either two things you can do, guys. Trust me. You could either run it through a strainer, alright, and get some of the fiber out. Alright, because sometimes you can drink it same way, but I just want to show you how I go on. You can do it this way, alright. It's blend out really fine, but me personally don't like too much of the fiber, you know. Sometimes I try to avoid some of the fiber, you know. The man should never have too much of this. Too much of the fiber. But you know what I mean, if you're at home and you don't have the time to do what I'm doing, trust me, you can just drink it as it is. Alright, so this is what I call the fiber. You know, I always try and avoid not to drink too much fiber, you know what I mean? Fiber is good for you, but I try my best not to put too much of it in my body. You know what I mean? Because something sweet, you know. The way I'm doing it, guys, trust me, look at that. Alright, so beautiful that is. And it's smoothie, so it's just very easy to drink. And you don't have to worry about the string or anything, you know what I mean? Yeah, when you strain it. But as I say, if you have a good blender, you don't have to strain it. You can drink it normally like this. But me personally, I'm gonna drink it, so that's when I get all of that fiber out of it. And that looking good, man. Look at that. Beautiful. as I say, if you have a good blender, trust me, you don't have to worry yourself because, you know what I mean, the good blender definitely will help to refine it. But me personally, I like to strain most of these something more time, you know what I mean, when I'm making them. Because I mean, I'm gonna like too much of the fiber. I know the fiber, certain fiber I like to drink it, and certain others try to strain it, you know what I mean. And trust me, this is just one of those kind of drink what you want to do when you have some time, alright? It's beautiful. Now, I'm not going to be going to further more with it. Alright, I'm just going to put this down for a bit. And then show you exactly what I want. Because I don't want to, you know what I mean, drag out the thing too long. Now, here it is. Alright, that is lovely and beautiful. Fantastic and then amazing, alright? It's only 10 minutes video. Nothing too long today. Alright, yeah. Just a quick 10 minutes video from Chef Ricardo. Now, we got some ice. Alright, let's put some ice in it. Just like this. And then I pour that beautiful drink in it like this. Alright. Really, really nice. Proper, lovely, and also delicious. Wow. Don't do that. Please. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'll go on this one now. What's going on? Beautiful. Alright. Now we know that I put a little bit of syrup in it already before. Just put a little bit more to give it that perfect tropical look what you're looking for. Alright? Yeah. That is lovely and nice. Let me see what I go on now. That is lovely. Alright, so basically, you can taste that and amazing. You know what? The ginger is so strong in it. Trust me, it's one of those kind of drink, definitely, guys, where you want to make at home. Alright, it's beautiful, simple, and also delicious. Alright, and we have a lot more coming. Yeah, man. And a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo. As I said, it's just perfect. 100%. 100% perfect for Chef Ricardo right here. Alright. It's beautiful and nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. It is summer. You know, summer. Right now, the time is hot, like 700 degrees. So, you have to have something to drink at home, guys. Them kind of weather, it's not nice. Alright, you don't want to get burned up in the weather, you know what I mean? I hate this enough. Beautiful. If you want, you can put a little bit of rum in it and get all the thing up to the top, alright? It's a beautiful one. And I know you guys definitely will love the recipe. As I said, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and share some love with Chef Ricardo cooking today, guys. Alright? Alright, now, let me see what's going on for the life. Alright, now we got Matzi in here. We got the Jamaica recipe queen. Alright. Big up every one of you guys. Shout out to every one of you who support Kimberland. Thank you so much. Chef Andre, thank you so much. Alright. Yeah. Island Kitchen, big up yourself. So many of you guys. Whole heap of love and respect from Chef Ricardo. And as I said, this was just a quick one today. I'll share with you that you guys can make this one at home. Alright. It's beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. Leftover mango and pineapple and ginger and lemon. Don't chuck it in the bin. Do something with it at home and make the family happy. Alright. As I said, it's just leftover stuff. And look what we do with it. Alright. Couldn't chuck them in the bin. But we said no. We got lovely Jamaican mango. Look upon these mango, guys. You know what I mean? Fantastic and amazing. Beautiful. These Jamaican mango. Sweet and delicious. Mango and lime and ginger and pineapple. Little bit of spinach. You're good to go. Mix up something like this at home and drink it. And that's the thing. 100% from Chef Ricardo cooking today. I love you all. Thank you so much for coming on the show.